How to turn on and enable Spotify Jam. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and enable Spotify Jam. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for Spotify app and look for updates. If there are updates available, then update your app. If not, go back to your home page. Now from your home page, open the Spotify app. In Spotify, make sure you are logged in to your account. From your home page, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, after which this kind of slide will appear. From this slide, select the last option, Settings and Privacy. In your Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Now you should be able to see this option, Privacy and Social. Click on it. Inside Privacy and Social, you will see the option Jam. Select the option Jam to access this. After that, you will see a menu like this. To enable Spotify Jam, you will need your friend's account. Tell your friends to go to Spotify settings. After that, tell them to go to Privacy and Social. And lastly, click on Tap Phones to connect your phones. So this is how you can enable or turn on Spotify Jam.